Umongameli weli Mnumzana Cyril Ramaphosa utyibele incoma ikumkani yesizwe samaZulu ukumkani uGoodwill Zwelithini ngegalelo layo ekuzisweni koxolo nozinzo kwelilizwe ngethuba kokungena inkqubo yedemokhrasi.
During the tumultuous period of political transition in this country, he played a significant role in the achievement of democracy. The King will be remembered for his role in bringing peace and stability to KwaZulu-Natal during the difficult times our country went through.
Ramaphosa uthi kumkani uGoodwill Zwelithini ebengawuthandi kwaphela umkhwa wokubulawa kwabezopolitiko.
As the country moved towards democracy, he called for an end to political killings, traveling around the country, as we heard from Premier Zikalala, going to the various parts of our country in hostels and villages, meeting and encouraging people to resort to peaceful means of resolving conflicts.
Uthi wacima nomlilo kungquzulwano phakathi kwabemibili kunye nabemi bangaphandle.
He worked to quell tensions between locals and foreign nationals. He strongly believed that the country's laws on migration and employment should be respected, but he also spoke out against violence directed at foreign nationals.
Uthi kumkani biyintshatsheli kulweni intsholongwane HIV.
He founded the Bayede Trust, which has worked to mitigate the impact of HIV and AIDS throughout the province. He encouraged responsible behavior, especially among young people. He challenged the international community to avail more funding against the AIDS pandemic, and he also challenged the South African government to provide treatment to our people.
Uthi kumkani isizwe samaZulu ibiphambili kwidabi lokulwa umkhwa wokuxhatshazwa kwabasetyhini nabantwana kweli.
Our late king was a soldier in the war against gender-based violence. In December last year, he signed a pledge to fight gender-based violence, child abuse, and human trafficking. He championed men's dialogues as a way of confronting the attitudes and practices that led to the abuse of women and children.
Umongameli Ramaphosa uthi isilo samabandla livuselele izithethe namasiko esizwe samaZulu kwaye oku kube likhubalo kwicandelo zokhenketho kweliphondo laKwaZulu-Natal.
Sithi hamba kahle isilo samabandla. Wena wendlovu. Wena wendlovu. Bayede. Ngiyabonga.